Did this pass by your feed? Did you see any of this about this supposed gold medalist?
I'm lucky that I did it.
Why would you click on it?
I might.
Would you be
No,
too curious?
No, no. I might accidentally click on it because
Accident.
I'm into Olympics. It's Winter Olympics right
Okay.
now. Accidentally.
And that is why they have gone with that. Apparently, this is a phishing scam.
Yeah.
I was reading the comments. They said the video was real.
Oh, there's a real video.
That's what they've been saying. Now you
Okay.
can't say Filipino men aren't dedicated. Nobody can say Filipino men are not committed because they risk it all. All being there.
All virus, all phishing.
Their online security for their gooning.
But I don't even know this girl.
If I wasn't into Saika Kawakita, I would have probably Googled her. You just search
Just
it.
Google it.
Yeah.
Japanese or
Yeah, Jav. I'm a man of culture.
okay.
I would say. Does this speak about the Hokage culture? The ninja culture?
It's been a while since I heard that.
Yeah,
Hokage
I
culture.
thought this was done. I thought we're past this.
So it's resurfacing again. The
I guess
Hokage
because
culture?
everybody's just asking for a link. Everybody just clicked on the supposed link to see the video, and then apparently they got fished. And that's why the manufacturers of this scam, of this phishing scheme,
Making a profit.
used this to widen the reach of the phishing scheme because of it's the Olympics.
Yeah.
Pinoys are gooners. That's what was taken advantage of, and everybody just clicked on the link. Now, what does it say about Filipinos? We don't know online security,
Yeah. We can't tell. We can't tell which is which.
or does it say that we're certified gooners? Does it bring back Hokage culture? I wouldn't say that it went away. I wouldn't say we're past that because I've seen some. It's been moved to Telegram collections.
Do you have Telegram account?
I did once before
Okay.
just to see. I didn't like it. Was I can research for myself anyways.
Yeah.
I wouldn't ask for a link. I would ask the name.
Like what's the code? What's the code?
The codes. The codes.
codes.
Yeah, stuff like that. That's what I'm.
That's why it's hard to tell apart if it's a phishing or if it's just a job.
No, you'd
Because
know.
like random-
You'd know. You'd know.
You'd know.
You'd
Well,
know.
I guess I'm not a pro.
You'd know. You'd know. So everybody got hit with it. Admittedly, I was curious.
Oh, so you opened it.
No, because it felt
Close
like
to it.
AI.
You can even ask AI to double check it.
Yeah. And then they just keep on saying congratulations in new Pinay gold medalist. Why is there no name? Apparently it's some
Yeah.
influencer or TikTok content creator.
Yeah, they just stole her picture.
But everyone's saying it's also true.
Maybe it's those bots,
Could be.
right? So that
Could
way
be.
people are still going to be looking. If you Google it, because you might do a reverse engineering, like go to Google and look
Yeah.
for the link. So now they have more ways to attract people that they're going to be victimized.
Could be. Now if you're a curious, horny guy and then it got you in the wrong time, you wouldn't be hesitating.
Maybe I'll research it tonight. The
How
real
deep?
video.
How deep? How deep are you gonna research?
Deep research.
Deep enough.
Deep.
Deep enough. Okay.
Very deep.
Okay. I saw a video like discussing this, an AI video. AI voiceover
Okay.
saying that it's a phishing scam. Well, if it is a phishing scam, a lot of people got hit by it. If it's true, now the link for the video has been passed around. So what it says about young Filipino men, I wouldn't even say young
Yeah.
Filipino men. Filipino men,
Sometimes even the older ones
the older
are the
ones.
victims.
Yeah.
Of this-
Victims? Victims, really? Are
How do
they?
you call them?
Gooners.
Okay.
Basically. Gooners. Gooning. Hokages. Ninjas.
Hokages.
Yeah, it's been a
The
while.
Mangkanors.
The Mangkanors.
The Mangkanors.
It's been a while since we've heard that term.
Yeah.
And I thought we were past that, but seeing these Telegram groups passing around leaks when they could have been monetizing it.
Wait, my question is this a Filipino company or fishing company? Is this a Filipino fishing company that started?
Maritime vessel. That kind of fishing.
Right? But my question is, how much can you make off fishing if your targets are Filipinos?
You can probably sell their data. instead.
Oh yeah, in the
You won't
dark
be
web.
you might not have to like straight up hack or get their
Yeah.
credentials and stuff, but you can sell their preferences, their data, their cookies to bigger companies who like
Okay.
data mine those pretty much.
Yeah.
That's I would say. Like when people hear hacks, they automatically think of their credit card info, their online transactions getting monitored. I mean it is part of that, but the most basic way for people to be earning off of your privacy getting trespassed is how you navigate the internet is being sold to other companies who benefit from those. Anyways, admittedly, I was curious. Thank you to Saika
Yeah.
Kawakita. That's why I didn't click on it. Got lazy too. I'm gonna go to my saved stuff later.
The safe ones.
Maybe
The
see if
safe.
I saved one and then try to get back to it
Yeah.
later.
I guess that goes to show that my feed is very healthy.
Okay.
I don't have this kind of reels or
Yeah.
posts that I come across with, and I'm just proud of myself.
Okay.
Like pat in the back.
Pat your back, Alvin Aragon.
Preach!